Okay, let me show you a few pointers on improving this project for your revision. First of all, I deleted the UV map modifier because we don't really need it if we're using the unwrap. In this case, we can do everything with just one modifier. The less, the better. I'm going to start by resetting the UVs. I'm going to say yes, and in polygon mode, I am going to go on the top view and make a selection that covers pretty much the back of the head and neck without selecting the ears. So I'm going to kind of do it there, okay? And I'm going to do a quick planar map, and I'm going to open the UV editor window and take a look at how the UVs are looking. Okay, so they kind of look okay. The look that we want to achieve is pretty much sectioned off the back, but because all the other UVs are in there, we can't really take a close view until we move them away. And these are pretty much all the UVs for the front and the ears. So I'm going to do another quick planar map to those and look at how it looks. It starts looking more like the character. The UVs, however, are very stretched out, and they seem to be distorted on the perspective view, if you notice here. So the next thing you can try is a peel on the peel session, a quick peel by angle. So with those UVs selected, it will just kind of automatically do a peel that distorts the surface, the geometry, the less, and it's pretty successful on many areas. As you can see, you got decent distribution. You got then now to refine the nose, that you see some stretching there, and the ears, but for the overall looks pretty decent. So the same thing we're gonna do with the back side. So first of all, let's move, let's go here to see if I can select these. Do I have, it seems like I might have the projection on. Yes, if you have the projection on, you can't really move stuff around. So let's move this one aside, and then let's work on this one next. Let's do a quick peel. Let's see how that looks. And doesn't look too much changes there, but let's see how it looks on the perspective view. This is where your checker map test comes to the test. If you notice, it's looking pretty decent, good distribution, and I don't foresee much change over there for this side. So what you can try next is to just refine those little details for the nose and the ears, if you feel that you need to, and pretty much move these guys to fit inside the default texture area. I will select the freeform tool, and while holding the control key, so that is a uniform resize, then make sure that you put everything back in the default area, inside the default area, and you should be good to go. If you notice that the UVs the checker map get too small, you remember just can change the repeats on the material editor, okay?